We are loving our new home. There are dogs, there are goats, and there are chickens. And Seth wanted to go see if there were any eggs today. What do you got? He went out there this morning and found one. And now he's back out there looking for more. I'm sure he's gonna want to get chickens. Oh, he got one.
So bad.
I know. Hey guys, my name is Shayla and I make these videos every Wednesday. I've been traveling full-time since 2015, and this Wednesday we have made it to our house in Washington, farmhouse that we will be living in until December.
Not our house. It's Bonnie's house.
This is our room though. It's Bonnie's house. It is.
She bought a succulent.
I bought a succulent!
If you want to leave in the comments what a succulent does. It doesn't smell.
Or what kind of succulent this is. I'm not very good at plants, so I thought a succulent would be easy. First things first, I have no makeup on. Some of you have asked me, oh my gosh, how do you do your makeup? Which I think is kind of hilarious because
she doesn't wear that much makeup.
But I figured why not show you? And because half of my viewers are boys and a makeup tutorial is boring, I thought Seth would come in to be like the middle ground. This is my makeup. So I'm gonna give it to Seth.
Can I say something real quick? I'm not saying like I've met a ton of girls, but how come every girl's makeup bag is so dirty? It has like a weird smell to it.
Because makeup gets in it.
Is there mustard in there?
Stop. Oh.
There's Vegemite in here. What is this for?
Okay, I was gonna have my sister try it.
I know what these are. These are barrettes.
Or bobby pins.
I see these all the time. And then when you pick it up, you're like, oh hey, you dropped this. You're like, I don't want that. Alright, next.
Oh, a nail file. I was looking for that.
She doesn't need a nail file because she bites her nails. She won't show you one finger, I guarantee it. Alright, so this. I've seen a lot of this stuff, I just don't know what it is. My sister right now is watching this video like, you know what that is. No, I don't. This isn't nail polish. I don't know.
What color is it?
Peach? I don't know, you put it on your skin? Oh, this is to paint your skin to hide things like pimples and bags under your eyes. Or black eyes. Not saying, can we edit that?
Yeah. So one thing that I saw with the other YouTube tutorials is that they would always have a really close-up with the Seth cam. You want to hold this too?
You just need a Seth to hold your
and you're gonna see a real close-up of my skin. So what I do is I put this all underneath my eye and around it, and I literally paint it on. I have no idea what the freak I'm doing. I would also probably put it on this pizza face. Maybe this guy? I think you're supposed to use your ring finger. I read that somewhere.
Why does it matter which finger you use?
Well, because you're gonna give yourself wrinkles by like...
What? You give yourself wrinkles by putting this stuff on?
Well, because you're just pulling your skin. So I think you're supposed to like dab, dab, dab. But
you're gonna get wrinkles no matter what. Everybody gets wrinkles.
Seth, but there's things that you can do to prevent them. And pulling your skin every morning is not one of them. I just kind of rub it in under my eyes, try and cover my bags.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. We're fancy like that. 2 different angles this time.
Next thing, the crayon for your face. Eyeliner. It's eyeliner. This is the eraser.
I think it blends.
I don't really see you put this on a ton.
Yeah, the eyeliner is like for fancy occasions or Wednesday videos.
Whenever I see girls doing this in the car and they're putting this like in their, this goes like right in your eye, right? I don't know how they don't stab themselves in the eye. Has anybody ever poked themselves in the eye with their makeup doing that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the thing.
I was not allowed to wear makeup until junior high. But what I learned was to do it under here. So it's like right on the line. Do you see it in the camera? You're watching in real life. So this is another way to get bagged.
It doesn't get in your eye?
No.
Doesn't get in your eye?
I don't usually go all the way. That was a little extreme.
So many girls are gonna tell you that you're doing this wrong.
Oh my gosh, I'm sure. Because I don't really know what I'm doing. This is just what I've learned and what works for me. If I was trying to get real fancy, I would go like this.
Ooh, do the smoky eye. Ooh, do the cat eye.
See, and I think that's what this thing's for. I think this is
do
to,
the
like,
burglar
to
face.
blend it.
Ooh, rob a bank.
You're stupid.
Shawty, you a 10. A 10.
Thanks, Seth.
Yep, I got you.
See, wow.
You erase it. Use the eraser.
That's a blender set.
It's an eraser.
I'm gonna get in little corners there.
It's taking a little while. Next. Torture device for your eyebrow or eyelashes. Do you trust me?
Yeah. Wait, go slow.
Oh my god.
Now
I
you
could just
keep
pull this. I could just pull this right now.
Keep it resting on my eyes so that you don't.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That
Next
was
time I gotta torture
terrifying.
somebody.
That was kind of scary. See a difference in the 2 eyelashes?
Yeah.
So you take this guy, you like set it, and then you stick your eyelashes through, and then you clamp them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Do you do the bottoms too?
No. Gotten my eyelashes permed before. 3,
What?
4.
This is...
Don't read it.
Can I say it says flared?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is flared. Is this mascara? Oh yeah! Only thing I know of. Dry your eyelashes.
Yes.
I know that. I see every girl in the world.
And you have to open your mouth to put it on.
Yeah, I don't get it. Even I did it. Wait, what? Why are there two?
See if you can tell a difference.
One looks newer than the other one.
Amber put me on this. You need one to like make them, I don't know, separated and long, and then one to like really make it chunky. Okay, so we've got 2 of these. I will also put the links below. So I just put this on like this. I go on the inside, I do a little bit on the bottom, on the outside. That's about it.
Fail. Got a little candy on your nose.
A little huckleberry.
A little huckleberry. She's using the eraser tip.
It's not working.
Just spit on it.
What?
I don't know. Liquid?
See, I usually don't go for that over. What's happening?
Oh, there's something on the ceiling.
Mascara number 2. You get in real low and you wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Then you get in real high and you wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Just be happy you're not in like the bathroom with them while they're doing this. Because I don't know. I feel like I already been like, it's fine. You're good. Let's go.
That's why we learn how to do it in the car. You're like, okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's like, all right, fine, let's go. I'll do it in the car.
Or you could just start earlier.
Earlier, you're showering or doing your hair or picking your outfit. Being a girl is like really annoying.
You don't have to put all this stuff on. I think you're beautiful without it.
Well, normally this takes me like 3 minutes.
Why is it taking you so long right now?
Because I'm nervous.
Too much pressure?
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's it, you guys. That's how I do my makeup. Thank you, Seth, for joining me on this makeup tutorial. I don't know why. Every single time that I film, my camera overheats. It's a Sony a6300 and it turns off. So now we're on Seth's camera to finish it up. We are talking about doing a Washington meetup in Seattle, maybe end of September.
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
I just made it up just right now.
But if we met up with people, what would you want to do?
If you guys know any cool things to do or places to go, comment below because I think it would be fun. The only trip that I have planned is to New York in the middle of September to go to a travel blogging conference called TBEX in Finger Lakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please like it, and we will see you guys all next. Well, we or I don't know.
You won't see me. We'll see you guys next week, so tune in.
Look at what Amber just sent.
Ooh.
Said mama's going out.
Ooh,
She's a babe.
Swipe right.
Swipe right.
Good luck. Good luck. She's gonna have so many people coming after her.
Oh, right.
Yeah. She's awesome. I'm just Amber's photo.
Yeah, she's a babe.
I got my hair did. That's like a new Tinder profile pic right there. Ooh, Bumble.
Who even finds each other on
Farmers,
Bumble?
Christian